sand bead and pearls. Sand bead is also called sea beads, also called seed beads, so whichever name you prefer to call it. So I've drawn my line, my first line on the hard stay. So I'm taking my needle behind the fabric, the material, and I'm bringing it out on the surface. So here's our sand bead. This is sand bead size 2. This is pearl size 6. You can also, if you prefer to use other beads, feel free to experiment. So today I'm using this number of sand bead. This is 8. We're going to be doing this in a spiral manner. First off, bring down your sea beads to the fabric if you're a beginner. Then take it in right in front of the bead, then bring it back halfway. Here you go. Then you're going to be repeating this process over and over again. Here you go. Same thing, bring it back halfway. Ensure that your thread does not tangle with your beading. So as we go, it will begin to spiral, to begin to twist. For now, you can't really see the twist. So this is the third one. Let's go. The more you do, the better the outcome. So you can see it's twisting already. It's twisting already. I've ended the first process. I'm going to repeat the same line again, but this time around it's going to look like a chain. So take the same number of beads, bring it here, then take your needle backward to the middle of the space. As you can see, just follow it the way I am doing it and you will get it right. It's no rocket science, it's easy, it's understandable. Okay, I'm almost done guys, so I start to show you the ending process. Here you go. You keep repeating the same process over and over again till the very end. So this is the last one. I'm bringing my needle out here for the next process. This time around I'm going to use my sand bead, 2 pieces of sand bead, 1 pearl, 2 pieces of sand bead again, and it's gonna come this way. It's gonna be vertical like this, like so. So I'm just going to do this round, all over down to the end of this place. Then you bring your needle forward and do the next one till you get to the end. Hey, I'm sorry guys, I don't know, my phone is messing up, but this is how far I've gone. So I'm going to be doing this till the end of the line, all the way down from here down to here. Then after this, we're going to repeat this again to make it a complete neck piece. So watch me as I go. See how fine and cute it is. You can also manipulate the colors as well. It must not necessarily be the same color. Okay. So I'll do this, then I'll start this process and come back to show you the progress. Okay, so you can see the progress. I'm done with this line. So what I'm going to do now is I'll come back here and repeat this spiral twist of C beads so that it matches up on the both sides and it comes out beautiful. Watch me as I do so. Okay, here we go. Same thing, same process. Never mind my thread. We don't have much time to waste. This video is long enough already. See, one of the things we encounter, but that's not a problem. I'm going to wash this. So I'm done with here, done with here. So let's conclude this process. Let's conclude this process. You bring your needle here, bring it out. Let's do the final line, guys. And then you have your beautiful neck piece. So because the last one is short, I had to make it short for it to match up. Same thing for the rest of the beads. Coming out already.